If Photopea is showing an unexpected error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to editing without wasting time. This is a common issue, and the good news is that in most cases, it's caused by cached files, browser extensions, cookies, or a browser compatibility problem rather than anything seriously wrong with your device. So stay with me and let's fix it together. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and easy step-by-step fixes. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets me know to make more videos just like this. First, let's do a hard refresh of the page. A hard refresh forces your browser to ignore stale cached JavaScript files and load the newest version of Photopea. This is one of the most effective fixes when a website suddenly starts throwing an unexpected error. If you are on Windows, press Ctrl plus F5 or try Ctrl plus Shift plus R. If you are on a Mac, press CMD plus Shift plus R. After that, wait for the page to reload completely and test Photopea again. In many cases, that alone clears the issue. If the error is still there, the next thing to try is Incognito mode or a private browsing window. This is useful because it helps you figure out whether browser extensions, stored session data, or a corrupted login state are interfering with Photopea's script. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N to open an incognito window. On Mac, press CMD plus Shift plus N. Then go to photopea.com in that private window and see if the unexpected error disappears. If Photopea works fine in Incognito, then the problem is very likely tied to your browser extensions or saved data in the normal window. Now let's deal with browser extensions, especially ad blockers and privacy tools. These extensions can sometimes block the network requests or script calls. Photopea needs to function correctly. If you use an ad blocker, tracker blocker, or any privacy-focused extension, click the extension icon in your browser toolbar. Then look for an option to disable it for photopea.com or add photopea.com to the whitelist. After that, reload the page and test again. If the error vanishes, you've found the cause. This step is important because even useful extensions can sometimes interfere with web apps that rely on multiple scripts. If that doesn't solve it, the next step is to clear site data and cookies for Photopea. Broken cookies, corrupted local storage, or damaged session tokens can trap the site in an error loop and prevent it from loading correctly. To do this, look at the left side of the address bar and click the tune icon or lock icon next to photopea.com. From there, open site settings or cookies and site data, depending on your browser. Then choose Clear Data, confirm the action, and refresh the page. After clearing the site data, log back in if needed and check whether Photopea loads normally. This is one of the best fixes when the site has worked before but suddenly starts acting up. If you still see the unexpected error, the final step is to switch browsers. Sometimes the issue is not Photopea itself, but the browser engine, a security setting, or a compatibility conflict in the browser you're currently using. Open photopea.com in another modern browser such as Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Brave. Try the same file or same workflow again and see if the error is gone. If it works in one browser but not another, you've confirmed it is browser specific, and you can continue using the browser that works best. So to recap, the best order is hard refresh the page, test in incognito mode, disable ad blockers and privacy extensions, clear site data and cookies, and finally switch browsers if needed. In most cases, one of those 5 steps will fix the Photopea unexpected error quickly. If this tutorial helped you solve the issue, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.